What's going on, guys? Gonna take you for a little walk here today. We're gonna start off at 6th Street and 30th Avenue. We'll walk to the park. Maybe check out the beach a little bit. About 8:45. The temperature and the weather here has been absolutely gorgeous. I believe it's about 75 degrees today. Past couple nights it's been in the mid to high 60s, so absolutely perfect. Of course, all the locals think it's super cold, so they've all got sweaters and jackets on. To me, it's very comfortable. Humidity's also been low. I believe the water temperature is near 84 degrees, which is about 29 Celsius. See the food cart there. I think they have just mainly tacos. Everybody's getting to work, so it's pretty busy out here right now. A little bit overcast today, but that's perfect. Very low humidity today again. I believe yesterday it rained just for a little bit. But like I said, to me the weather's been perfect past couple days anyways. There's a KFC here, right on the corner of 30th Avenue and Juarez. Also has a Pizza Hut here on the corner, Burger King underneath. One thing to note about the Burger King here is it's not flame broiled, so it doesn't taste the same as in the US. noticed a lot more National Guard here than the local Marine. Clothing stores here, shoe store. The taco shop here, it gets pretty busy. Guys got a ton of belts here. There's another clothing store here. Three Hermanos, that's a shoe store. It's a chain. My flip-flops broke last time I was here, so grabbed a pair of flip-flops from Three Hermanos. It's hard to find a size 12 though. I believe I got lucky and they had a pair in the back. And they're of decent quality. They lasted me through 6 or 7 months here. So there's one, we just passed Three Hermanos here, and there's another one here on the corner. So it's a very popular, retail chain. Might have to mute the sound for a bit. Some more leather goods here. Just a quick note, these guys, they're not all that bad. Just like any other place, there's some bad apples, and sometimes people have one bad experience and just blame the entire police department on it. But I find most of them to be very helpful and just normal guys. Again, you just have a few rotten apples and that's it. Just another note also, seems like pedestrians don't have the right of way here, so be careful crossing this street. Cars will not slow down for you just because you're taking your time across the street. Some little shops here selling bags, luggage, small luggage. So if you find yourself with a little bit extra souvenirs and you need another bag, come down 30th Avenue. Or no. We're on Juarez. Just come down Juarez and you'll find some luggage stores, some necessities, small stuff. Milano is another clothing store here on the corner. Now, if you're just looking for some, something to get by, cheap t-shirts or whatever, I suggest coming down towards this end because it's way cheaper than any place on 5th Avenue that you'll find. Now, if you walk further down Juarez, you'll find that the prices are much, much lower the further you get from 5th Avenue. Great chicken place here. Grilled chicken. You can get the individual for $4. That's the individual meal with a soda and everything.
Pero de ahí no pasó.
So not bad at all. Coming up on 5th Avenue. Here's the ADO bus station here. Doesn't look too busy today. Now those little small buses, the little vans there, they're just a little bit cheaper than the great big buses, but typically when I go to Valladolid, that's usually what I take. And I always sit in number 3, seat 3. Nobody in front of you. Nobody to the side of you. Basically get your own seat there right next to the driver. Most comfortable, most leg room. So just take note of that. Let's walk this way. It's right at 9 o'clock right now. Right here, we're on 5th Avenue. Coming into the park here. Lots of people today. Lots of people this morning anyways. It's been beautiful out here. Let's walk around this road here. Get you a good view of the water. It looks pretty calm to me today. So many COVID testing stations here. No worries about finding a place to get tested. Hola. A couple friends of mine came from pretty much almost every state in the United States. Seems like they were all down here. Some of them were worried about finding test stations to get back home. And I told them don't worry about a single thing because they're all over the place. On average, they're about 500 pesos, so about $25. That water is perfect today. As you can see, the beach is pretty much clear of seaweed. No seaweed I can see in the water either. It's perfect. I think my favorite time of year to visit is probably mid-November to when it starts getting hot. I don't like to stay here during the summertime. So. See what all those people are doing. This is near the ferry terminal here. Maybe some people are waiting. Seems like a lot of tourists. But really, you can't ask for a better day than today. Hopefully it stays like that. I know it's hurricane season in Florida now, and last year we had gotten hit by a few storms, but nothing too outrageous or bad. So I might end it here. If you guys are interested in seeing some local areas, let me know. I'm going to try to get about one video out a week. And seems like Thursday seems to be the best days for me. Just the weekends are just way too busy. And I end up doing a lot of things that I shouldn't probably, but weekdays are pretty good for me, unless it's like raining the whole week or something. No fun to be walking in the rain. But hope you guys liked it. See you next time. Thanks for watching.